Hello and welcome to all of you. Right now we have done with the 3 phases related to the virtualization comparative skill learning program. So we have done with the first part, virtualization basic concepts, and we have already summarized it. Now in the second and third phase we have done fundamentals of deployments related to the configuration, installation, customization, and deployment features related to the ESXI 6.7, and gather all the theoretical concepts and demo sessions, and done the demo sessions which we require for gaining the skills related to the virtualization industry. In the third phase, we done a number of demos related to the virtual machine implementation. We create the virtual machines, we done with the operating system installation, we done a number of tasks related to the customization of the virtual machine, and at the end we get the concepts of snapshots and remote desktop connectivity related to the virtual machine infrastructure. Till now we have done number of options related to the virtualization platform. Now time comes up that we need to explore that idea which we discussed in the intro session of this certification program. So at the early introduction of this training program, I committed that we will definitely explore Microsoft products related to the virtualization. So let's get into the exploration idea of Microsoft Hyper-V, and you will be surprised that there are a number of features or number of tools, or you can say tools of trade related to the virtualization certification are same. So let's get into the deep dive of exploring the Microsoft Hyper-V. So let's move on.